How does hyperbaric oxygen therapy work? Well, when you apply the pressure and the oxygen really lifts up within your body to usually about a 10x level. That has a profound impact on the cells or the cellular physiology within your body. So it improves the metabolism of the cell. It decreases the inflammation and oxidation. It causes neoangiogenesis, which means formation of new blood flows. It works on collagen synthesis, and probably most importantly, it improves the metabolism within the mitochondria. The mitochondria you can think of as little power factories within each cell. And those mitochondria are super important, as we're finding out, in lots of different disease processes. And so by revving up your mitochondria, your overall cell metabolism is improved, and that helps you heal better. If you're interested in hyperbaric oxygen therapy after a procedure or from a wellness perspective, feel free to contact us at our phone number or just schedule a consultation online. We'll be looking forward to see you here at Blackhawk Plastic Surgery. Thank you very much.